how to turn off or turn on any notification your iPhone. We need to go to settings and go to notification section. Here you see all applications you installed on your iPhone. If you want to turn on or turn off any notification, you need to go to, for example, Amazon application. You need to go here and allow notifications. Here you can turn on sound or turn off. Here you can choose any style like banner, notification center, lock screen.